Hey, this is Dunstan from the Email Outreach Family, the Facebook group. I'm going to talk to you today about another really helpful Chrome extension. It's called Clearbit. And Clearbit is a great extension for finding email addresses of people whose email addresses you haven't been able to guess. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check out the previous video that I made about using the two Chrome extensions, Discoverly and Sales Navigator Lite, that explains how you go about guessing people's email addresses using their first and last names and the domain that that their website is on. But for this video, I'm going to talk about Clearbit, and Clearbit is a great extension. But I will say right in the beginning, Clearbit does work better for big companies than it does for small and medium enterprises. So if you're targeting really small companies, don't be surprised if Clearbit isn't the answer for you. But if you're targeting bigger businesses, Clearbit can be fantastic. So as with all Chrome extensions, you install it on Chrome, and then you get this little button here inside Gmail. You click on that, and then the free version allows you to do 100 searches a month. I've done one search today, so I've got another 99. So then I click on Find Emails. Then I go to the domain. I type in the domain of the company that I'm looking for. So we say I'm looking for somebody at LinkedIn. Then I type here linkedin.com, and then it comes up with a whole number of companies, and then you'll see a whole list of people that have and their positions within the company. Here I saw actually Reid Hoffman, the co-founder of LinkedIn. Here's his email address. If you want to send him some emails, there he is, rhoffman@linkedin.com. So this is just how you go about it. You can do 100 of these searches a month, and when you don't find, when the company is not found, they don't charge you a credit for that. So you have to actually find an email address to have a credit deducted, which I think is really cool of them. So I hope you found this helpful. This was Dunstan again from the Email Outreach Family. Should you want to know more about this, more about finding email addresses, more about writing good cold emails, check out our free course. It's called the Email Outreach Mastery. It's free for all group members, all members of the Email Outreach Family. Cheers.